So, hi everyone, this is Movie Talks, and I'm from Team Code Chronicles. As you can see, this is on the screen. So, this is the project demo of our submission. So, yeah, basically, when you log into this site or when you visit this site for the first time, you will see a login option. We have connected supervisor to that. So, the login and auth is secured end to end. So, this is our mission map. Okay, all of these things are 3D models. Okay, and it runs in a spiral manner. So the basic idea behind this thing is to teach coding in a way that it feels like a game. Okay, so this is the first module, or this is the first mission where we can learn the C language. Okay, or where we can learn programming. Now, the very first thing that anyone needs to learn before they learn any kind of programming language, let it be C, Python, or anything, is the syntax or the structure of the programming language. Okay, so it's here, and we are learning this by a simple drag and drop thing. Okay, so yes, let's start. Okay, so we can just drag and drop things here. So let's start with int. This is drag and it's correct. Okay, I also have this EI mentor here. Okay, what it does basically is that if I drop anything wrong, okay, for example, let's do int start. Okay, so let's do int start, and it shows start as a great name, but C looks like a main specific. Yeah, so it also tells you if you're wrong, and you can just explain why you're, or you can just get an explanation of why you're wrong here by the AI mentor. Okay, so yes, so let's move forward. Let's go into main. Okay, so this is the whole thing. Okay, now it will write the whole code just to show how the syntax looks outside the drag and drop world and in the real coding world. Okay, so let me just copy all of this. So in the next phase, when I click take control here, I'll be given an option to enter the code. Now if I just directly paste this code and to execute, it won't compile. Okay, it shows verification failed because I have copy pasted the, so it also has a copy paste error detection. So if I'm copy pasting the code directly, it won't accept. Okay, so for that actually I have to write the whole code. Okay, now, it checks out and I'm going to go to the next level. Okay, so this is the next level. So in this thing, we are going to teach the variables and etc. So this is how the basic system goes. And one of the most interesting things of this app is playground. Okay, we also support multiplayer here. Players can generate their own rooms and they can play with each other. But let's do single player here. So in this thing, basically there is a rover. Will just let 3D models load in till we talk. So yeah, this is all. This thing is our defined functions. Okay, so user can access our defined functions, that this function is used for this activity, and the user has to write a simple code, and he has to, if you can, I guess you can see this, that there are danger zones. Okay, and then there is a destination. So if we run this code, our rover moves forward, okay, into a specific direction and with a specified value. And the thing is, it needs to avoid danger. It needs to get to a specific location, because that's the whole point of the game. So the players can play the game as well. Okay, so let's just back off a bit, and yeah. So again to the mission map, we also have a dashboard here, so we can know what kind of person I am. Am I a fast learner, or what specific areas do I lack in? So yeah, this was the whole thing. So thank you very much for taking a look at our project. We hope you like it, and if you have any feedback, feel free to comment or connect us. So yeah, thank you.